How are you?
I'm I'm too delighted just talking to you. Really? How's life going, ma'am?
Yeah, it's going fine, very fine. Doing my all duties, my responsibilities, everything is fine with God's
Okay.
grace.
Ma'am, would you like to introduce yourself as we
Yes,
are meeting first time?
sure, sure. Please, I will tell you. My name is Aarti Chaube, and I am connecting you from Madhya Pradesh. And the the place where I live, it's a town, and it is about 84 kilometers away from Bhopal. You might have.
I would go to
I give
school.
you. I give you one sentence. You translate it, and you give me one sentence, and I will translate it. This
Yeah.
will also will be very good.
Yes, yes, yes.
So
So
I'll give
shall we take two, three more examples of that concern only? That use?
wood.
Yes.
Yes, we will go with wood. So uh, मैंने उससे कहा कि इस साल वो एग्जाम में पास नहीं होगा.
Hmm. I told him that he would not pass in the exam.
Yes, because he had not
Yes,
studied, so he would not clear his exam. Third form.
yes, yes, yes.
आपके
Now,
चश्मा वहाँ
let
रखा होगा. तो हाँ.
yes.
So
Now
मैं
another use.
मैंने
Can
सोचा भी ना
another
था. Yes, because there are multiple
uh,
uses as we discussed earlier.
there are multiple uses. So now we are just practicing another use of wood, and another use of wood is in the form of request.
हम्म आप
Yes.
चाय लेना पसंद करेंगी या कॉफी?
Yeah. Yes.
तो ट्रांसलेट दिस.
Like क्या तुम मेरे लिए एक गिलास पानी ला दोगे?
Would you please bring me a glass of water, please? Yeah,
Yes.
would you please bring
And
me a glass of water? In both way we can say.
yes, yes. Hmm. क्या
आप
तुम
चाय
मुझे
लेना पसंद करोगे? आप चाय लेना
hmm.
पसंद करोगे या कॉफी?
Would you prefer to have tea or coffee?
Yes, I would like to have coffee. So I'll tell you opinion. मुझे पक्का पता था कि वह मुझे धोखा देगी.
Hmm.
I was very much confirmed that she would deceive me.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay. Now
Mhm.
another example I am giving you. Wearing white in uh, auspicious
Auspicious
occasions
occasion.
could not be good for you.
Yes.
Yes.
Wearing white dress in any auspicious occasion is not would not be good for you.
Not be
Yes.
good for you. Yes.
Very well said. Black also. Not only
Yes.
white, but
Black.
black also. We don't consider it as a very good color. So yeah, you are right. So in conditional also we can use it. Like
Yeah.
अगर मैं तुम्हारी जगह होता अगर मैं तुम्हारी जगह होता तो मैं उसको उसकी जरूर मदद करता.
If I were you, I would help him.
I would
Definitely.
have helped him definitely. I would have helped him definitely. यदि मैं
Yes.
उसकी जगह होता तो मैं उसको धुन देता. धुन
If
देता.
I were him, if I were him, I will clean him up.
If I were him और if यदि मैं तुम्हारी जगह होता, if I were you,
Hmm.
if
Okay,
I
if
were
I were
you,
you, yes. If
हाँ,
I were you,
I would, yes. Uh, so the tense, when we use tense, they tell us the exact time. But in case of models, they are hypothetical sometimes. They are not telling us about the time. They are telling the imaginary conditions. Like
yes.
मैं ऐसा होता तो ऐसा करता. So in this way,
Yes.
they are most appropriate with the imaginary condition, with the hypothetical situation. And
Yes, this is
tense,
conditional too. Yeah.
yes. And in case of tense, we get to know about the exact timings. Like सुबह से बारिश हो रही है, मैं खेलने जा रहा हूँ. So
Hmm.
we get the idea of perfect timings, but
Yes.
model, it's not like that. Yeah.
Yes.
So you want to discuss any more sentence? Uh,
Yeah,
or something?
if we go with imagination, it goes like that also. If I were a bird, I would fly to your home.
Hmm.
Yeah.
हाँ, यदि मेरे पंख होते, यदि मेरे
Uh,
पंख होते तो मैं उड़कर आपके पास पहुंच जाती.
really.
So if I were have wings, I would have flied to uh, Uttarakhand.
Mm, very wow, great. And it also goes with wish. Like, I wish I would be with you.
Hmm.
I wish. With
I
this
wish.
sentence, we can also use would. So
Yes.
please make some sentence with I wish. I wish I would in that
Uh,
manner.
I wish I would be a prime minister. यदि मैं
Wow.
प्रधानमंत्री होता, यदि मैं
Yeah.
प्रधानमंत्री होती तो मैं पूरे देश की रोड्स के हालात
Hmm.
बदल.
Yes. Lovely.
If I wish
Wonderful.
I was PM, then I could have uh, changed the conditions, the worst conditions of our uh, roads of our state.
Yeah. Lovely. Wonderful use. So one more is there like when we just what to say any when we give any refusal in past. Suppose
Mhm.
suppose I can say that when I was young, I never let my brother alone.
Yes, I
I
would
would
never.
never let my brother alone to go anywhere.
Mhm.
Yes.
I would always
Yeah.
accompany him, and I will
So
not never let
in
him
this way,
alone.
it will go with refusal also, and
It will
refusal
go.
that will past.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
Like I told to the company manager that
Mm.
I would not hold this responsibility anymore.
Yes. Yes.
मैं
In you are just doing giving refusal
हम्म
in the form. Yes. Using would. Yes. And would goes with the acceptation also. When we have any
acceptation.
acceptation, like any exemption, any guess, when we just
Mm-hmm.
do any guess, sometimes we can see somebody is ringing at the door. Um, it would be your father.
Mm-hmm. It
You
would be
know,
your father.
uh, someone is knocking at the door. It would be the milkman.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
That time we are just expressing our expectation with this would.
Yes. And with the passive voice also we can use it. Then with conditionals, refusals. So yeah, there are multiple uses of would, and we can keep on discussing for hours and hours, and it
Yeah,
will not end.
really.
It
Even
will
if we
not
take
end up.
one thing, we can make so many sentences. We can't say, yeah. So, is there any other use of which you would like to describe?
Yeah. Right now I am not just remembering any such. Oh God, what happened?
Eh, hello?
Yes, yes, something, and the message flashed, yeah, and suddenly the video disappeared. Yes, now it's okay.
Okay.
I think mostly we have covered.
Okay, okay. Mostly we have covered. Now we do one thing, four, five sentence. I'm just telling you in Hindi and you are going to make sentences with you. Would. Okay. Then for
I have
three,
to
four, you
translate
can.
them in English. I have to
Yeah,
translate
yeah.
them in English. Okay.
Okay.
It-
You have to translate and I will give the sentence.
Sure, please go ahead.
Okay. हम्म, जरा दरवाजे पर देखो। तुम्हारे पापा हैं क्या?
आ, जरा दरवाजे पर देखो, तुम्हारे पापा हैं क्या? please look at the door. No, would you please look at the door? There may be your father.
Yeah. Yes, we can say in this manner also, or it would be करके we can use with it would be also. Just
So
look
how will
at the
you
door.
start?
It would
Just
be.
look at the door. First you will,
Yeah.
first that sentence will come.
It will
Just
be
look at the
interchange.
door. There would
Yeah.
be your father. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. I use the would in the starting as a
Yeah. Yeah.
request. Would you please
Yes. Yes.
open the door? And there may
हाँ.
be your father. Okay.
क्या तुम मेरे लिए एक कप चाय बना दोगे?
Would you please make a cup of tea for me?
Hmm. तुम कौन सा कलर पहनना पसंद करोगे? ब्लू या व्हाइट?
Which color would you like to wear? Blue or white?
ग्रेट. एंड काश काश मैं एक चिड़िया होती और उड़कर अपनी फ्रेंड के यहाँ जाती.
um, I wish if I would be a bird, I would
If
have,
I were
if I wish, uh, I were a bird. If I wish I were a bird, so that I can fly to
I
my,
see.
I would fly to my friend's house.
Yes, I would fly to my friend's house.
Generally,
Yes.
it takes first form of the verb, base form, right?
Yes.
This would, it takes first form of the verb. It will
I
never
would
go
fly
with the,
I would fly
ah,
to my
I would
friend's
fly,
house. If
yes,
I were a bird, I would fly to my
to
friend's house.
friend's house. Yes.
Yes.
मुझे पता था कि वह अपनी उम्र नहीं बताएगी.
I knew that she would not tell her age.
मुझे पता था या मैं बहुत कंफर्म थी कि वह मुझे अपने बर्थडे में नहीं बुलाएगी.
I was confirmed that she would not invite me on her birthday.
Yes, that she would not invite me on her birthday. मुझे पता था कि इस बार मेरी सैलरी नहीं बढ़ने वाली, नहीं बढ़ेगी.
I knew that my salary would not increase this time.
हाँ, either increase or raise. RAISE, raise also, that my salary would not raise. Yes, so I think already 26 minutes have passed discussing would.
Actually, if we just go with the grammar, so we don't keep in mind what the time is.
And nowadays, I'm much interested in making these types of videos so that in case if any beginner is listening. So I think earlier I made one video with Jaya, and in that video we were doing the antakshari of this vocabulary. So I was
Yeah.
telling her one word and then she was telling one word to me, and in this way, and then we done that rapid fire type of thing. Like I was
Yeah.
saying one sentence and then she's picking one word from that sentence, and with that word she is making another sentence. Then I pick one word
Yeah,
from her
she
sentence.
is really a talented lady. Yeah, I must say. I had also a conversation with her.
She is a banker.
Yeah. So
Yeah,
I
she is
think
a
we should wind up the session now because
please,
our
yes.
video is already long.
No, we can
And
divide it in two parts. We can
yes,
divide
we
this
can.
in two parts. Okay.
Yes, we can.
So
Some
first
part we
how?
can take and some part you can take.
So would you like to have the first one or the later one? For example, it is 26 minutes. Something we will edit also. Do you edit or do you post it like this only?
No, I edit.
Because somewhere.
I will take some part from the starting and some part from the ending. Okay.
Okay.
And you can take some part from the starting and in between also, wherever you want to like. Only three,
Sure.
4 things I will cover. That I will take.
Okay. मतलब
Your
12
introduction.
minutes का भी हम अगर डालेंगे ना, that would be good.
Yes. Only 10-12 minutes we will take. Not more
Mhm.
than 12. At 12. Yeah.
It was really nice talking to you. Wonderful session we had. And definitely, if time permits, we will connect again.
Yeah, sure, ma'am. I also
Okay.
enjoyed the time with you. Bye bye.
Bye. Take care of yourself.